$20,000 on Etsy in 30 days sounds incredible. And to be fair, it's real. But here's the question. Is this passive income or disciplined execution disguised as passive income? Now we go clinical. He did 300 listings, daily uploads, personalization, a mock-up overhaul, Q4 gift season, and some ad support. That's not upload once and relax. That's production volume plus algorithm leverage. Let's talk seasonality. November to December is peak Q4. Giftable mugs, personalized products. That is the strongest 30-day window on the calendar. That doesn't invalidate it, but it contextualizes it. Now let's talk listing volume. He says, just over 300 listings. That's the real barrier. 300 optimized listings is months of consistency. Most beginners quit before 50. Now personalization. Personalized products convert better. They justify higher margins. They reduce direct competition. That's smart strategy, but it's operationally heavier. Now the passive claim. This isn't passive income. This is keyword research, conversion testing, image optimization, and data analysis. Seasonal planning and continuous uploads. That's an algorithm business, not a set-it-and-forget-it business. And here's the real truth. If you removed Q4 and cut listing volume in half, would this still be a 20K month? That's the real test. Now here's what I respect. He showed revenue. He explained process. He acknowledged ads. But if you're watching this thinking, I'll upload a few mugs and hit 5 figures, you're misunderstanding the model. This is a listing density strategy, executed during peak demand. That's not luck, but it's also not effortless.